Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I have a little fun thing in a little box here that I bought for my Josefina doll, who you saw me unbox yesterday. Oh, that could have got ugly.
Quick, get ready to call 911.
Oh, they won't come. The weather's too bad. So I bought this for my little Josefina, and I'm going to invite you again to come. It's heavy. To come and see the collab that Karen from Starch and Stitches and I are working on. We've worked pretty hard on this one. And that'll be on Tuesday, February 10th. Oh, look at Josefina's goat. He's got a little messed up nose, and I knew that, and a little scratch under here, and I knew that. You know what? You saw my doll. It's like the two of them were attacked by a cougar. How cute is that? Oh my goodness, I love goats. That is heavy. It's like
Like a resin filled or something?
yeah, I'm sure. And he is missing, I say he, let's look. Oh, I think it's a female. He's missing his bell, and I thought one of these might be
So
cute.
which is it, he or she?
She.
Okay.
Did I say he again?
Yeah.
Well, you know me. He's missing, she's missing
Gonna need a
her
pink collar.
bell, and my goats, I have a herd of goats, and they have different kinds of bells, and I like it because I can hear the different tones. And I think that size is going to be fantastic. Isn't that cute? Can you see? There's my
Adorable.
big hand in the way.
No, I can see
Yeah, let me get that together. Isn't he adorable? I put a blue collar on my buck. I put a little bow on it because he's so cute.
Now it's a buck.
What it?
I'm still rolling. I want this memorialized.
Yes, it has. It has to be a boy. I keep calling. It looks like a boy, doesn't it? It does. It just. We're gonna call him Sambrino instead of Sambrina. Isn't that cute?
Yeah.
I forgot. It's just a boy, you know. Sometimes it just talks to you, and evidently this did. I like it. I like the little bell. I think it worked out really well, and my little Zulus are here with a little holiday cheer as well as my little Makey. Please tune in tomorrow when I show you my new that was beat up Josefina, all cleaned up, and I even have a little outfit on her. That'll be tomorrow's video, and then you can look forward to a collab coming up on Tuesday the 10th. You don't want to miss it. Karen sews like a dream. She does gorgeous work. These dolls are so beautiful, and you will really enjoy these videos. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Please leave a like, a comment. Don't you see a boy goat? And subscribe.
So what else does the voices in your head tell you?
Stop.